guys, welcome back. So as you saw in my last video, I was putting my hair in these 4 ponytails because my hair was actually like 90% dry and I wanted it to flow downwards. I didn't want my curl pattern to be messed up being put in a pineapple, and I wanted my curls to stay intact. So I'm just removing the rubber bands and I'm going to show you how I stretch my curls. My curls actually look good. I wrapped them in I put a bonnet on when I went to sleep so it didn't ruin my hair. And then I just fell asleep as I would normally. This is how my hair looks without it stretched. So I'm just fluffing it out. And now I'm going to take some oil. This is Righteous Roots oil. And I'm just going to go over my curls and break the cast because it's a little crunchy. And I'm just going to pull on my hair and fluff it out. And then if you have any clumps, you just want to gently separate them with, but make sure you have oil on your hands so that you won't create any frizz on your curls. So yes, they look good already. I don't really have to fluff. If you don't want to fluff, you don't have to. But I need my hair to look nice and full. So I'm just going to take some more oil. I'm going to do the same thing to the next side. Just run your hands through your curls and just break that cast. Separate the clumps. Give myself a nice little scalp massage. Yes, it feels so good. Yes, so now I have my pick ready. I separated my hair back into the 2 ponytails on the one side, and then I separated the other side into one big ponytail. So I fluffed out my roots a little bit with the pick, and now I'm going to get my blow dryer and I'm going to put it on low heat. You don't want to put it on high heat because you don't want to straighten your hair. We're not trying to straighten our hair, we're just trying to fluff it up a bit. So I'm taking the back section and I'm just putting the low heat towards my roots while I'm also pulling on my hair. So you see how I'm just pulling it up. I want my roots to be lifted. You don't want to do this too long. You want to make sure you're doing it just a little bit. You don't want to cause too much frizz, and you don't want to straighten your hair because that can happen. So I'm just pulling on the whole section, and you see I have the blow dryer a little far away from my hair. You don't want to put it too close. So yeah. And now I'm going to take the other section and do the same thing. Put some low heat on the roots. Not for too long. Just enough to stretch it out. You want to make sure you get in the middle, in the back, the ends, everything. So this is how I usually pick my hair. I start from the top and then I go down to the middle and then I do the ends. So root, middle, ends. Just to get it the nice fluff. I'm telling you, this works. You don't want to pick too much either because you don't want to stretch out your curls. The same way you don't want to blow dry it too much because you don't want to straighten your curls. So it's all like a process, but it's a quick process because you don't want to overdo it. So you can see the difference on how lifted this side is compared to the other side. It's like really shrinking. The shrinkage is real. It's smaller than the other side. And it gets bigger, I promise, because this is literally right before I took a shower. And even after I did all of this, I put it back into the 4 ponytails. And I ended up getting ready and doing everything I needed to do. And boom. Like, it was, I'm telling you, these results that you're about to see are bomb. So I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing all over again. I'm picking, doing my roots, middle, and end. So you can, I didn't blow dry this side a lot because I feel like I didn't need to, but yeah, you can see the bob is killing it. I love this bob. If you haven't seen my video on this, on how I cut my hair, I'm gonna put it on top so you guys can see. But yes, this is so fire. So this is my hair after I got out the shower and I got ready. You can see it is flowing. Like, it was not looking crunchy. That one curl, I kept pulling on that one curl, but yeah, we're not gonna watch that. But yes, I love it. I hope you guys love this video. Make sure you follow me on all social medias and let me know down below in the comments if you like the way I stretch my hair, and share your techniques too so I can see and probably try your techniques as well. Bye guys, love you.